Good morning, everyone. Shelly and Johnson. I'm supervisor for Pals Primary and Infant School. This is the Tollgate Division, and I'm in charge of PDs 13, 14, 15, and 16. So far, we had a good opening of poll. All my workers were on time, and the electors are coming in slowly. So we don't have a huge traffic or a huge flow of traffic, but they are coming in and they are being orderly so far.
Okay, is this your first time working at a local? So, how does this experience compare to the previous one in which you've served so far?
Okay, well, it's basically the same. It's just that I'm working with more PDs. So I'm working with 4 this year. I've worked with 3. I've worked with 2. But so far, the people of Corpus are they're quiet and they're orderly, and I'm not having any problem. Hopefully, we won't have any problem for the rest of the day.
All right, thank you.
Yep.